It's officially summertime in Michigan. We hope you're enjoying this wonderful time of year, but we hope you're keeping an eye on the skies. Michigan is entering the heart of our tornado season. The next 30 days is usually when we have most of our severe weather. As a matter of fact, it was 16 years ago that the unexpected happened just down the road from the Michigan Magazine Museum, which is now, of course, the Skyline Event Center. A tornado swept through the small village of Cummins, nearly wiping out the entire community. Thankfully, no one was injured, and the community, along with other citizens of Michigan and neighboring states, rallied to reconstruct. Today on the show, we bring you that story of the Cummins tornado of 1999. Also, on today's show, Oscoda County has been labeled the hotspot in Michigan for Bigfoot sightings and so-called nesting areas. Although we remain on the fence on this subject, we decided to make our own investigative journey into the Luzerne, Michigan area, as my grandson and I brave known Sasquatch sighting areas along the Asabo River. With camera in hand, we journey deep into the cedar swamps, and what we find and heard is making us think twice about our hasty conclusions. You decide for yourself on this edition of Michigan Magazine.